Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn on microphone on your iPhone in iOS 18 update or in iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone above iPhone 11 which is supporting iOS 18. So what you need to do is just you need to go to the settings. After going to the settings, you need to swipe up and find the privacy and security option here. You just need to tap on it, and then you need to swipe up again and find the microphone option here. So you need to tap on the microphone option, and these are the apps which you can access and control which app should use the microphone and which app shouldn't use the microphone access. You can enable and disable the microphone access by just tapping on it, and it will enable the microphone access for this app, or you can just disable the microphone access for this app. So by tapping on it, you can enable or disable and choosing which app you want to use the microphone for your iPhone apps. From there you can actually control or turn on and off the microphone. I hope this video helps you out in figuring out or turning on your microphone for a specific app. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer in upcoming tutorials. I hope this video is very helpful to you, so it deserves a subscribe. So please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.